wala sa PIU. Patrolman Navarrete, Colonel.
Excuse me, sir. Mag-swear muna si Kwan. Hindi pa pala ito nakapag-swear.
Sir, paghangaan, please.
Pati si paghangaan.
Dalawa na po kayo. Sino pong ano?
Hindi pa daw, sir.
Oo. Do you swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth in this investigation? Thank you. Please take seat.
Sige, sir. Continue.
Well, as practiced in the Senate, the testimony that you started giving us already earlier is classified as part of your oath. Anyway, so si Patrolman Navarrete, PIU siya, Colonel?
Si PIU po siya assign as detached, parang ang mother unit po niya is na PIU. Kasi since yun sa 4th district 4th district team has a lack of personnel, sir, we sometime kumukuha po kami ng tao sa station.
So noong August 30, under sa inyo?
Yes, sir, opo.
Anong alam ninyo sa mga pangyayari sa kanila?
Come again po, sir.
Anong alam ninyo sa mga pangyayari? Kung sabi nga, yung mga tao sa ilalim ninyo ay alam ninyo. Hindi maaaring hindi, lalo na kung gagawa ng kalokohan. Anong natunugan ninyo dito sa mga pangyayari?
Sir, kung ang aanhin niyo sa akin yung opinion ko bilang isang leader, ang mga tao po niyan ay sila po yung grabe ang sakripisyo sa baba. In so far as I am concerned, yung trust and confidence ko po ay sa kanila. Kung inaakaswahan po sila ng mga ito po, ng mga yan, let the rule of law follows. Pero in so far as I am concerned, ang tiwala ko sa mga yan, sir, sobra. Baka hindi niyo po alam yung war on drugs. Sobrang ginawa ng mga yan. Kaya
hindi natin pinag-uusapan yung war on drugs dito. Baka pag sinabi ninyong war on drugs, baka tokhang ay bintang sa inyo. Hindi ganun pinag-uusapan. Tiwala kayo. So, alam niyo kung nasaan siya saan sila ng August 30?
yes, sir. Opo, sir.
Alam niyo kung nasaan
Kahit
sila?
ako po ang magte-testify.
Akala ko pa si paghangaan, wala na sa'yo. Ba't
Hindi
mo
po.
alam kung nasaan siya?
Si yun akin under lamang po. Si Sergeant Paghangaan, di ko po kayang...
O yun ang tinatanong na sinasabi nung isa eh. We're not asking for, tinatanong ko kung alam niyo may nangyaring kalokohan doon. All you can do is answer, say, no. If you don't know. Bakit bibuild up mo pa? Sa war on drugs pa? May ICC problem na nga tayo sa war on drugs eh.
Opo, sir.
Ano pinag-ayabang niya mga yan? Huwag ganun. Tinatanong namin kayo ng mahusay eh. Answer the question. Hindi pa pwedeng gano'n. Parang nangyayari dito, palalabasin nyo yung 4 na babae rito, 4 na babae rito at yung 2 testigo kanina, lahat nagsisinungaling. Ay dahil tiwala ka sa mga tao mo. Hindi gano'n. Akala ko ba rule of law? Tingnan natin ang mga alibay. Alibay nung isa, napakahina, ang lapit niya eh. Alibay nung isa, iba sinasabi. General Cruz, you know what to do?
Yes, sir. May I add something, sir, that was not mentioned by the partner of victim Lasco. Actually, sir, nag-umpisa ito lahat. Kung bakit naging persons of interest itong mga former personnel of the Provincial Intelligence Branch of the Laguna PPO. Nag-umpisa po ito nung aming pinuntahan itong Indon Brothers, wherein the names of Navarrete, Rosas, and Claveria were mentioned. And of course, kagaya sinasabi natin, yung commonality, common denominators, doon po kami nagbabase as investigators. So, kailangan naming tumumbok ng tao, pangalan ng tao, o grupo ng tao na maaaring may motibo para gawin ito. And when I was directed by our Chief PNP and our Senate Committee Chairman, Senator De La Rosa, to include in our investigation the other 3 missing persons involving 2 cases, and that is San Pablo incident and May Kawayan incident. So kami po as investigators kasama ng aming legal officers ay we are conducting daily case conferences about these missing persons. Halos maghapon po kami nakababad sa aming conference room. At kami nagbabalitaktakan, nagpapalitan ng mga kuro-kuro. And we decided to check and consider these people from PIB. Nasubukan namin na kuhanin ang kanilang mga larawan and bring these pictures and photos to the witnesses. At sabi nga po namin, sa kaso ni Lasco, ang mga nandoon sa pinangyarihan are not just simply witnesses. They are victims and complainants. Madalang po nangyayari sa ating mga investigation that witness is a victim and victim is a complainant. Ito po yung pagkakataon na sinumantala namin. Because the witness in this case are motivated to continue finding the truth because they are complainants and they are victims. Dahil nawalan din po sila ng mga kagamitan. Kung kaya po nang pinuntahan namin si Princess, the partner of Mr. Lasco, sa totoo lamang po, ayaw na rin niyang mag-postro do sa case. But we convinced her. Kung kaya po nag-attempt po kami at pinuntahan siya, o hindi mo po nag-attempt, pinuntahan po siya ng ating mga investigador, bringing photos, the record or the PNP photos of these former PIB personnel. At sinamahan po namin ito ng mas marami pang bilang ng mga larawan. Umabot po, according po sa ating team leader, ay 28 larawan po ang aming pinakita. Just to make sure na hindi parang sinusubo namin itong mga larawan na ito. And ang una pong nalaman namin, tinuro po ni Princess, without any hesitation, si Paghangaan. Na hindi po niya binanggit kanina dahil sa araw na lumipas po ay baka maaaring siya nagkakaroon na ng alinlangan. By instinct, tinuro po ni Princess si Sergeant Paghangaan. At ako man po bilang director ng CIDG, I don't want to talk about a case without getting first-hand information from the witness. Kaya po lahat po ng mga witness na ito ay aking personal na kinausap sa aking opisina. To make myself also to have a first-hand information directly from the witness. Kinukuhanan po namin ang kanilang mga reaksyon when the time they identify photos or suspects in front of us to at least to morally convince the investigators na maaaring sila nga yung itinuturo. Mahadalang po yung pagkakataong 4 na babaeng walang kakayahan o helpless person to consistently identify policemen at that who can make harassment on them after this investigation. So, yan po yung aming basihan. And of course, may dagdag ko lamang po, when they visited my office we even included them in our case conference meeting or meeting in our conference room. At we consistently in-identify po ni Princess si Sergeant Paghangaan. So, yun po yung aming mga basihan to make sure na hindi po kami nagkamali sa aming sumusunod na aksyon in establishing probable cause against persons identified by witnesses. So from this, kahit ano po ang sabihin ng aming mga kasamang pulis na inaakusahan ngayon, we will continue filing the case because we believe that these witnesses are credible. They are victims and they are complainants of these cases. So after this, sir, we are preparing the appropriate case regularly to be filed before the DOJ until such time that preliminary investigation will be conducted. At yung mga susunod na action before filing, hopefully, a resolution will be filed before the court, and the next is the issuance of warrant of arrest before we effect the arrest of this. Hopefully, sir, we will be successful in filing these cases in court, sir.
Thank you, General Cruz. Very laudable work. Thank you. Mr.
Thank you, sir,
Chairman.
Your Honor, sir.
Mr. Chairman.
Yes, go ahead, Senator Tolentino.
General Cruz, you might have forgotten and omitted your internal services and perhaps NAPOLCOM. Are
Yes,
these on the table, or will you just rely on the DOJ?
I'm sorry, sir.
Meron ka pa mga dalawang ahensya, dalawang opisina na pwedeng paglagdaan ng
Yes, sir.
specific cases.
That will be automatically be done by the CIDG. We will be coordinating with the Internal Affairs Service of the PNP for the filing of administrative case. That's all.
Thank you.
Sir,
Yes,
may I be excused?
thank you, thank you.
Napauli ako. Sniglos, salamat.
Salamat, salamat. Thank you very much. Colonel Abilino, nabanggit mo kanina na sobra ang tiwala mo dito sa mga tao mo dahil nga talagang nagtatrabaho sila. Nabanggit mo pa yung war on drugs na grabe ang trabaho nila. Na thank you for that kung grabe ang trabaho nila. Basta within the legal bounds of the law ang ginagawa nila.
Yes, sir. Opo.
Ha?
Opo, sir.
I commend that. I commend you for that. Kung nagtatrabaho sila ng gusto, basta within the legal bounds. Hindi
Yes,
sila
sir.
gumawa ng illegal.
Yes, sir. Opo.
Kasi kahit na anong gawin mo dyan, pag illegal ang ginawa mo, mananagot ka pa rin talaga, di ba?
Yes, sir. Opo.
Kaya, balikan ko lang yung command responsibility mo bilang chief ng Provincial Intelligence Branch. You should know your men. Pag may ginawa silang kalukuhan, dapat na-stop mo na. Hindi na, isang kalukuhan pa lang, kung it has come to your attention, dapat inaksyonan mo na kaagad at sana wala nang masusunod pa na pangyayari. Pero, I don't know how you control your men. Bakit umabot pa dito sa 2 kaso na na-involve yung tao mo? That's just a piece of advice bilang isang opisyal ng pulis dahil alam mo naman, dumaan din ako sa trabaho mo.
Yes.
Naging chief rin ako ng intelligence, naging Arthur rin ako. Kaya dapat bantayan natin ang tao natin kung anong ginagawa. Although hindi man talaga natin sila mabantayan 24 hours a day. Dahil nga may kanya-kanyang buhay yan sila eh. Pero being the commander, you should use your initiative to monitor all the activities of your men. Di ba?
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Senator Tolentino, go ahead.
Chairman, for the next round of questioning, I would prefer a select batch of non-related agencies that probably are still connected but not related to the missing Sabongeros. And I refer to Bangko Sentral ng Pilipinas, Department of Trade and Industry, GCAS, Paymaya, PAGCOR, and Games and Amusement Board. Isang ratsyada na lang po yan. Pero tapusin muna natin to, Mr. Chairman. Napakahalaga po nito. Yung sa akin po is to to beef up our law